Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Eurotech Exchange chair. Remove all items from the box. Verify all components before assembly. Press the casters into the holes at the end of each leg of the base. Insert the bottom end of the cylinder or seat post into the center hole of the base. For easy assembly, place the seat face down on a flat surface. To attach your armrests, position left and right armrests on the correct sides of the chair. Secure the armrest to the seat using 2 yellow arm screws and 1 arm washer on each armrest. Tighten securely using the enclosed Allen wrench. Attach the backrest to the seat using the green backrest screws, spring washers, and flat washers. Tighten securely using the enclosed Allen wrench. Now turn the assembled seat upright and locate the center hole of the mechanism over the cylinder or seat post. Push down firmly until the connection is secure. Before using your chair, ensure that all screws are tightened fully for safety. You can now enjoy the comfort of your new chair. And that is how you assemble the Eurotech Exchange chair. If you do have any other further questions, feel free to reach out to us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.